Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Well guys, I guess we really did get the snowstorm. Everything's covered in snow and it's still coming down. You can see by the tire tracks here, we got already about 5 or 6 inches of snow. Here's Jesse Panda 10.
Hi.
That always says that it really doesn't snow as much.
Well, you just always make those videos.
And it's still coming down, guys. It's the middle of the day and it's snowing like crazy. I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
What? He's still fucking.